Welcome back. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, count like this. 7 and 8, 9 and 10. That's great. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, sing with me. 4, 5, 6, just like this. 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Adventure time again. Look there, look around. There are clues that can be found. Don't give up, you'll be fine. Together like stars we'll shine. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, count like this. 7 and 8, 9 and 10. That's great, clap your hands. Come on. 1, 2, 3, sing with me. 4, 5, 6, just like this. 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Adventure time again. With me and my best friends.
Come on!
What happened, Tim?
My game's not working. But I can fix it. Just have to shake it harder. Whoa!
I got it.
Phew. Hey, what are you doing? Give it back.
Here you go.
It worked. How did you fix it?
It just needed new batteries.
Oh, you always know what to do. Thanks.
Calc, the block is going to keep falling over if you don't put it on something flat. Try this. You got it. Be careful, Billy. Let me help you with your books.
It's okay, Paula. I've got this.
Are you guys okay?
I'm okay.
Here, let me help. Isn't this better? Now you can see where you're going.
Oh, yes. Thanks, Paula.
Chucky, you have to hold the box upright so the chocks won't fall out as you bend over.
Wow. You really do know best, Paula. We can always count on you.
I'll get it. Hello, Paula speaking.
Hello, Paula. It's Mr. Farmer. I need your help to take care of the animals today. Can you come over?
Sure, Mr. Farmer. We'll be right there. It's time to ride Buggy to the farm.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Mr. Farmer, we're here to help. What happened to your arm?
Oh, just an accident with my lawnmower. I'm fine, but I do need some rest. It's why I need you to look after the animals today.
You can count on us.
Excellent. I've got all the instructions on this piece of paper. Feed the pigs 3 buckets of food. Do not pet the sheep. Feed the cows when they move 3 times. Brush the animals. Do not put different animals in the same pen.
Got it. Have a good rest, Mr. Farmer. Let's feed the piggies. What do the instructions say? Chucky! Tim, Calc, get the instructions.
We're on it. Can't reach it. Don't move, Piggy. I'm just trying to get the... Ah!
Oh, dear. I can't read some parts of it. The instructions are ruined.
Let's ask Mr. Farmer to write it down for us again.
No, we shouldn't disturb Mr. Farmer. He needs to rest. We can figure it out ourselves. instructions say to feed the pigs with... the rest is covered in dirt.
I think it's 3 buckets of food.
But they look so hungry. I'm sure they need 5 buckets of food.
Really? Okay, then.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
You're right, Paula. They are hungry. So what's next?
All right, cows, feeding time.
The instructions say the cows will moo when they're hungry. But the part that says how many moos is covered in dirt. I'm sure it's 5 moos.
I remembered Mr. Farmer saying 3 moos. But you're probably right, Paula.
1,
2, 3.
That's only 3 moos. So it's not time to feed them yet. Let's move on. I'm very sure it's do pet the sheep.
No, it's do not pet the sheep.
Aw, you want some pets.
I was right.
No, I'm sure the sheep just wanted to go for a run.
That sounds bad. We should check it out. They look hungry. Should we feed them now?
No, I think they're lonely. We should open the gate and let them make friends with the horses.
I don't think that's a good idea. I remember Mr. Farmer saying we should not mix animals together.
Don't worry, Billy. I know what to do best. You said it yourself at the playroom, remember?
You really do know best, Paula. We can always count on you. Oh, I guess you're right then.
All right, animals. Bath time.
Are you sure, Paula? I think Mr. Farmer said brush the animals, not bathe the animals.
I'm sure soap and water will make them much cleaner.
Good point.
Ah, all clean.
Ah!
What happened?
The pigs are all asleep. I think they had too much food. What should we do?
Paula, come quick!
Oh, no!
My farm is in a mess. Why didn't you follow my instructions?
It got ruined.
Sorry, Mr. Farmer. It's my fault. I thought I knew how to handle everything, but I don't.
You don't have to know everything. That's why we ask for help. Whoa!
Careful!
Whoa! Help!
Oh, dear.
Guys, I don't know best. Anyone have any ideas how to save Mr. Farmer?
I know. Woofy, come on, boy. Go get the sheep back.
That's a good boy.
Are you okay, Mr. Farmer?
Yes, I'm okay. Now, here's how you fix the farm.
This way, cows.
Time to go home, horses. Mr. Farmer says you can't mix around with the other animals.
No more food for you.
Here you go, cows.
All done, Mr. Farmer.
Thank you, children.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Number of the day. 3 buckets of food. 3 mooing cows. Dance with cows.
Finally, it's in my hands. With this, I shall control the monkeys. Hello, monkeys! Look here! Excellent. Let's try it out. Monkeys, sit. Wave and do this. By golly, it's simply splendid. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 monkeys under my control. Now, bring me the talking totem heads.
Paula says, raise your left hand. Paula says, lift your right foot.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hey-yeah! Woohoo!
Tim, you're not listening to my instructions.
Huh? Oh, is it time for Tim Says?
Paula says, it'll have to wait. Hello?
Paula, help! The monkeys are after us!
Mr. Explorer is controlling them.
We'll be right over to stop them.
Hurry!
We have to rescue the totem heads now. Paula says to Buggy. Mr. Totem Head, Mr. Buddy, we're here to help.
Over here, children. Thank goodness you've arrived. We barely escaped.
Over here! Get them!
What? Get in! We have to go!
Oh dear! Faster! They're right behind us!
Hang on tight!
Watch out! Woohoo!
Yay! We lost them!
Phew. Thank goodness.
How is Mr. Explorer controlling the monkeys?
He found an ancient statue with mysterious powers that puts monkeys in a daze. Then they do whatever Mr. Explorer tells them.
We have to take it away from him.
And destroy it. Only one potion in the world can do that. I have the map to find it right here.
That's great! Paula says, let's split up into 2 teams. One team will get the potion, and the other will get the statue.
Okay, let's go!
The potion is at the end of the temple, but it won't be easy to get there.
There are instructions on the map.
Ah! How did they find us?
Quick, let's go!
Obstacle 1. Take 3 steps back from the edge of the jelly pit. Then run and jump across.
One.
Ugh. Ah!
Tim!
I'm stuck!
Oh no! They're here for us! Ah!
Huh? What? They must be after the potion too!
Tim, take my paw.
Wow!
Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, run and jump.
Yes! Come on! It's the monkeys! Hurry!
Obstacle 2. Stand on the square and wait 4 counts before going up the slope.
1, 2.
Ah! We have to catch up! Whoa! Ah!
Now we have to wait another 4 counts.
Oops!
1,
2, 3, 4.
Run!
Obstacle 3. Walk 4 steps, then duck.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's go, go, go!
No! You have to duck!
Help!
I'll help you, Tim.
I hate this.
Got you!
Oh.
Phew!
Let's listen to the instructions this time.
Obstacle 4. Only step on the triangles.
But the monkeys have got the potion!
No!
Stop!
Whoa! Whoa!
Ah!
Tim!
Oops, sorry.
The potion!
Oh no, this is bad. Uh-oh.
Run!
Help me!
Oh no!
Oh dear!
There's Mr. Explorer! You guys distract him!
Oh, how peculiar. I've never seen a dancing owl and a purple squirrel.
Gotcha!
Huh?
Run!
Get back here! That belongs to me!
I think we lost Mr. Explorer. Tim, Billy, just in time. Did you guys get the potion?
No, the monkeys destroyed it.
Oh no! And where are the totem heads?
The monkeys took them too.
It's my fault. I didn't listen to the instructions and I messed up. I'm sorry.
Oh, don't worry. Paula says everything will turn out fine. We all just have to listen and do our part.
Okay, Paula.
Monkeys!
Huh? No, the statue!
What do we do now?
Paula says, don't give up. Come on.
Well done, monkeys.
Stop right there.
Huh?
Numbers, go.
Blimey, what's going on? Monkeys, get me out of here!
Calc, Chucky, find some bananas to keep the monkeys distracted. Tim, Billy, Neil.
What?
Just do what Paula says.
Hurry up, monkeys! Huh?
Good job. Now give me a boost.
Monkeys, get me out of here! Huh? Hey, that's mine! Get back here!
Yes, I got the statue.
What do we do with it? We don't have the potion anymore.
I know. Give it an instruction to stop. Do Paula says.
Of course. Paula says, never listen to anyone ever again.
Woohoo! We did it!
We're free!
Stop right there!
Thanks, children!
Let's get out of here!
I'll get you another day! Nice, monkeys. Let's be friends. Oh, where are you taking me? That tickles.
Number of the day.
4 obstacles. 4 monkeys.
Dance with Calc.
$5.98, $5.99, $600! Today's the day! Captain Redbeard, I get to be pirate captain today!
Arr! What are you talking about?
You promised! remember? Captain Redbeard, may I be pirate captain one day?
You, captain? Then what will I be? Your first matey? Sure, in 500, no, 600 days, I'll let you be captain. Very well. But first, you have to pass all my tests to prove you're worthy of being a pirate captain.
Tests?
Test 1, look like a pirate. Test 2, behave like a pirate. Test 3, find treasure. Test 4, get a loyal pirate companion, like Parrot. Rat?
I think I need help.
Yar! What are you waiting for, first mateys? Start digging!
Aye, Captain.
Look, Captain. 1, 2, 3, 4 gold coins.
Yar! This calls for a celebration! But it'll have to wait. First mate Paula, answer the phone.
Aye, Captain. Hello? Paula speaking.
Hi, Paula. It's Maurice. I get to be pirate captain today if I can pass all of Captain Redbeard's tests. Can you help me prepare?
Of course. We'll be right over. Maurice needs our help. Let's ride buggy to Treasure Island.
For my first test, I need to look like a pirate.
That's easy. You just need a few things. Billy?
Pirate hat. Check. Eye patch. Check.
Now you look just like a pirate.
Let's practice saying yar and r. Remember, yar is for something good and r is for something bad. The treasure is gone.
Yar!
Incorrect. It's R. Next, I found the perfect coconut.
Yar! No, I mean, R!
You were right the first time. It's yar. There's sand in your boot.
Yar?
No, sand in your boot is bad, so it's R.
This is hard.
Don't give up, Maurice. You can do this. Woohoo! It's raining candy.
Yar!
Correct. There's no more ice cream left.
R!
That's right. Someone stole all the treasure.
R!
Perfect.
Test number 3, finding treasure. The map says...
We have to take 4 steps forward and look for the X behind the coconut tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is.
Good job, Maurice. Test number 4. Maurice needs a loyal pirate companion.
That's Mr. Parrot. But there's only one of him.
Then we just have to make sure Mr. Parrot is on our side. Let's practice with Calc.
Okay, Cal, Parrot, will you be my pirate companion? Please, I've got yummy birdseed.
Nice work, Maurice. There's one last thing. A pirate hook. There. Now you're ready.
Pirate hat, eye patch, hook. Pass.
Arr! Stay away from my ship!
Arr! You passed the second test too.
X marks the spot. The treasure is buried here.
What? No way! How did you learn to read a treasure map?
Parrot, can you come over here? I have some very yummy birdseed for you.
Rat? No! I can't believe you passed all the tests! Fine, you can be the pirate captain.
Yay! Captain, I mean First Matey Redbeard. My first order as pirate captain is for you to go find me some treasure.
Find me some treasure. Arr.
Is there anything else we can do for you, Captain?
I want to go sunbathing. I'll need a deck chair, sunscreen, and sunglasses. Oh, and don't forget my coconut drink.
Aye, aye, Captain.
What are you doing?
I was just following your orders to look for treasure.
But I didn't ask you to dig all these holes. And now I can't sunbathe here.
Well, you didn't ask me to not dig these holes.
I need you to fix this right away. Mateys, let's go get me another coconut drink. It's still not fixed yet?
Arr, patience, Captain.
Okay, let's go sunbathing at the top deck. Ah, this is the life.
Hey, Captain! Your first matey, Redbeard, is making holes in our homes at the beach.
Yeah, tell him to stop.
Oh, sorry about that. First Matey Billy, tell Redbeard to stop.
Aye, aye, Captain. Captain Maurice says to stop.
So what do I do now?
Redbeard asks what he should do now.
Make him put back the sand in our homes.
Billy, tell Redbeard to fill the holes.
Captain said to fill the holes.
Aye, aye.
Redbeard is filling the holes, Captain.
Yeah, with everything except sand. Come on, do it right. And I'm thirsty.
I'll have a coconut.
Mateys, get some water for our guests. And, some coconuts, too.
What about our home? We're not leaving till you sort out this mess.
Where do I get water from?
How many coconuts do you need?
Where's my water?
And my coconut.
Repair our home. Repair our home.
I don't know. Sorry. I can't do this anymore. Oh, Redbeard, can we switch back, please? You can be captain, and I'll be your first matey.
I thought you'd never ask. Yarr! Leave! Be gone, you pesky crabs!
Let's get out of here.
Okay, we're leaving. First, matey, repair the crab's home at once.
Right away, Captain. I'm done filling all the holes, Captain. Being first matey is so much easier than being captain.
Yar! Can I be pirate captain for the day?
What? Not again!
Just kidding!
Number of the day. 4 gold coins. 4 pirate tests. Dance with Calc.
Hey, guys! Notice anything different about me?
Hi, Tim. Nice hat?
Are you trying to be taller than all of us?
No, it's just a really cool hat.
Well, if you were wearing this hat to be taller, you know you'd have to keep it on all the time. While showering, sleeping, playing basketball, video games.
Okay. Aha! I'm taller than Calc.
But we're all taller than Calc. Why do you want to be taller, Tim?
Because being bigger is always better.
Oh, I know just the thing. Hocus pocus makes him taller.
Great idea, Paula. Mr. Garden Gnome can make me taller using his magic. Let's go ask him right now.
Okay, to Buggy, everyone.
Stubborn weed, I'm going to shrink you until you disappear. No, don't grow bigger.
Hi, Bubbles.
Hi, guys.
Sorry, can't stop to talk now. Bye, Bubbles.
Bye-bye. No, not again.
Hi, Mr. Garden Gnome.
Children, how nice of you to visit.
Of course, you're our favorite gnome in the whole world. So, can you use your magic to make me taller, please?
Oh no, I can't do that. It's not right.
Oh, man.
I guess you just have to grow taller the normal way like the rest of us. Thanks, Mr. Garden Gnome.
Goodbye.
No.
What are you doing, Bubbles?
I'm trying to practice my magic by making this weed disappear, but it's not going well. I need a donut.
Cool. Can I get a donut too?
Sure, it's one of the few magic things I can do well. Here's a donut for everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thanks.
Yummy. Hey, if Mr. Garden Gnome won't make me taller, maybe Bubbles can.
Me? Oh no, I need a spell for that, and I'm not good with spells.
Then now's your chance to practice it. Come on, please.
I guess I could use the practice. Okay, let's do it.
Awesome. Everybody, get ready to meet Tall Tim.
Mr. Garden Gnome said this isn't a right use of magic.
Here goes. Flick flock. That doesn't sound right. Quick knock. Nope, not that either. Oh, it's tick-tock becomes small. Ah, no, I mean tall.
Tim?
Huh? Ah! Giant shoe! I'm tiny! No!
Oh no! I'm so sorry I messed up the spell.
We'll get Mr. Garden Gnome. He'll know what to do.
No, you can't tell him. I can fix this. I just need help gathering a few ingredients.
We have to collect 5 orange flowers for the potion to make Tim big again. 1,
2, 3.
Thanks, Calc. That's 4. 5 minus 4. Only 1 more to go.
I see 1. That's 5 orange flowers. Get it, Chalky. Hurry. Whoa! Oh. Ah! Oh. Ow! Being small is the worst.
Next, we need 5 acorns for the potion. 1, 2,
3.
4. Now we just need 1 more.
Look, there's one last acorn over there.
Hey! Whoa! Hey, shoo! I'm not a carrot! Ah! Go away! Don't eat me! Ah!
Aha! Yeah, got it!
Get the acorn!
Come back! Oh, dear!
I can't reach it! We're too big! You can get the last acorn.
I can? Oh, yeah, I can. Woohoo! 5 acorns. Maybe being small isn't that bad.
Okay, that's it. Now for the spell to change Tim back to his normal size. Redo, redo. No, is it overdue? Oh yeah, it's undo. Undo what was done. Reverso, oh so. Here, drink this.
Okay. Hey, stop! That's mine! Ah!
It worked. I mean, oh no.
Ah, help!
Uh-oh! Run!
Ah!
Go away!
Oh dear! Stop moving!
We're trapped!
Ah!
Help!
Huh? What's happening?
Tickle, tickle, tickle! Hurry, run away! Whoa! Ah! Ah!
What's going on? Tick-tock becomes small. I can't get it to the bird. Tim, you need to calm the bird down. Pet it gently.
Okay, I'll try.
Great. Now, on the count of 3, jump as far away from the bird as possible. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! 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 I'm back to normal. Phew.
You have some explaining to do.
Sorry, I shouldn't have used magic to try and change Tim's size.
It was my fault. I asked Bubbles to do the spell, even though you already said not to.
Don't ever do it again.
Here is the I'm really sorry donut.
Don't mind if I do. Yum.
Who else wants donuts?
Me! I do!
Number of the day.